Okay, well there's one. It's not fucking flat though. That's really pissing me off. Thing is, it's not even the camera and everything that's making this annoying. It's kind of just like it's so tiny. Like, sir, I want you to be flat. Like, why will it not? Maybe pre-tinning them was a bad idea. I didn't think about that. Because now, I don't know if I'll be able to solder them flat. No, there is only 4. Interesting. Why did I get so confused? Just taking a solder off of this. Something fell. No idea what. Oh, my fucking webcam. Doesn't matter. You know what? I don't think pre-tinning them was the worst idea, actually. Because I think I just got it flat. I'm not sure if it's deep enough on there though. Man, I might have to re-tin the second one from the top. Oh no, it might be fine. I don't like how soldered. It's this like weird tip on it when I pull away. Give me some tips to stop that. I don't know. And this thing is not quite flat, but I don't really know or how much I care. I think these top ones both solder onto the same pad, so I could just bridge them. Oh man, this thing, the camera quality is pretty fuzzy. Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna tin the living hell out of these because the distance is very far. Bit more here, and I think I should be able to get it over now. I might have to tin the pads, whatever they are. Oh no, there we go, I think. There we go. looks done to me. Well, these solder joints are not clean though. I don't know how much I can really clean them. I don't want to accidentally bridge them either. The top ones aren't that bad, but these ones are pretty shite. That's better. Moment of truth. Take a look at it. Oh boy. It is not focusing for shit. There you go. Stop. Like this, is it? No, does it go the other way? And take the battery, and we will pop this in. Is it backwards? I think it's like this. Yeah. Hopefully it stays in. You can probably just use this to. Oh boy, this thing is. Oh, it turned on though. That's very good news. That's a successful installation. Let's try that one more time. Just hopefully without the battery falling out. Perfect. Now, hopefully the switch goes on it properly. I have no clue. Take this out and put it back down. The battery fall out now. Get the screw set. I wonder how many of these will like actually tighten. Actually, before I do that, let's see what happens when I turn it on. I really forgot these hinges are totally ass. Wow. That's bad. That's the sweet spot. How could I have installed them so wrong? Or maybe it's because they're aftermarket? I'm not sure. I gotta fix that though. That'd be a good video for how to install hinges, so maybe I'll do that next. Let's see if the D-pad's still good. The freaking screen is toasty though. Oh yeah, this works good now. This Game Boy's meant. You need the hinges and the screen in right. Or honestly, I'm not sure if this is a mint Game Boy because I feel like I've reinstalled the screen quite a few times and it always kind of turns out like this. So, I don't know, it could have something else wrong with it, but I don't think so. Let's do actual button tests. Fuck. Yeah, it's freaking good. No phantom presses either. Yeah, it seems perfect. That's cool. Well, thanks for watching. I guess my next video will maybe be, I may even record it now, do reinserting these hinges, and what was the other thing? Oh yeah, trying to fix the screen, but I don't know if I can. I have a feeling that the LCD like the ribbon cable holder's just broken somehow. Hopefully it's just the ribbon cable not being seated properly, but I'm not too enthusiastic or optimistic about that. Thanks for watching, and please remember I have a Game Boy build service. Don't have to do it yourself if you don't need to. I charge very little money, only 50 bucks on top of everything, which is literally nothing. I see people selling refurbished Game Boys with no mods for 250 bucks. People buy them. And I'm selling a fully modded one for less than that. So, fuck Handheld Legend and all them fuckers. They're scamming you. Okay?